Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, what I'm going to do is to film the sunrise. I wake up every day very early, and today I would like to grab my chance to capture the sunrise in Jebel Sifah here, as I wake up very early at 4:30 this morning. Instead of watching a YouTube video, I have a walk, kind of exercise to refresh myself, taking some video around. I believe no one wake up that early like me. Just now you see, I feel everywhere are so empty, but I enjoy it. I come here, I live here is for a peace of quiet. You see, no one around. You just feel the whole world belong to you. During the weekdays in Jebel Sifah, normally we do not really have a lot of people around because here is more like a holiday house for the people living in Muscat. The neighborhood I live in here is called the beachfront. I've been living here since 2022, and so far I love here. I never get bored, even sometimes I do nothing during the day. I enjoy a small walk, for example, on such beautiful garden area. Of course, for someone who enjoys city life, will not like here at all because here is more for relaxation, for leisure, and well, if you enjoy private party, it is also a good place. Well, the highlight is a swimming pool. I really love the swimming pool here. It has a really good size right in front of the beach, which is quite unique, I feel. Back in 2008, I worked in Oman first time in the Six Senses Sigi Bay. The setting of Sigi Bay is exactly the same as here, behind the mountain, in front of the ocean. That's another reason I love to live here, because I had super good memory in the Sigi Bay. Of course, this swimming pool in Jebel Sifah, the beachfront, is fantastic. And I walk around the beach as well, and I try to wait for the sunrise around this area. However, I feel it is better to just have a walk a little bit and then go back to my home, wait for the sunrise. Meanwhile, we have lots of crows here. One here, on the way there is another one here. The scenery is beautiful. Do you agree? Once I'm back home, I see another one flying around. Now, peace of silence, we will enjoy the sunrise. Sorry, Mr. Hippo just woke up. Such a beautiful sunrise, right? And I think that it's time for a morning tea. I always have a jar of hot water and prepare for my morning tea. I still feel blessed to live here, and it's time to sleep. I believe I need more time to sleep instead of wake up very early. Thank you very much, and good morning.